Hi, everybody. This is the investing teacher from Thetatraderz.com. Just wanted to go over a quick video on the different membership tiers of Thetatraderz. We do have quarterly, yearly, and lifetime memberships, and I'm going to go over in detail what each one consists of so you can decide which of these proper plans will be right for you, your budget, and for your investing goals. Three different membership plans. Feel free to join any of the plans if you'd like to upgrade to the next tier. We could easily make that work for you. First is the quarterly plan. Here we have a 7-day free trial, so you can test this out. And we're doing 0 DTE trades on SPX. That's where we get in and out that same day. We're also looking at longer dated cash secured puts and credit spreads. Those typically run from 20 to 45 days. We go very high probability, low deltas, and we typically look for around 2.5 to 4% returns per month in our accounts. If you go to the annual membership, that is with the inner circle, so you get a little bit of extra treatment there for the annual plan. Everything that you get in the quarterly will be included. Plus, you'll get all of the future trades that we do. We do a lot of low delta strangles. We'll do covered strangles, looking at MES or ES if you have a large account size. Also, look at some other non correlated assets like GC for gold and CL for oil. And then you would also receive all of my buy and hold. We do a lot in the Roth IRA. We'll go over exactly why I'm buying certain funds in long-term buy and holds. And you do get a one-on-one Zoom call where I can go over any questions that you might have in your trading, if you're looking at how to implement the strategy in your own accounts, how to allocate your portfolios and whatnot. We'll go over whatever you need on that one-on-one Zoom call. That will be recorded and sent to you as well. And if you want to join the lifetime membership, it is everything that the annual memberships receive. Plus, you'd get unlimited one-on-one Zoom calls. If you think you need a little bit more of the hand-holding and describing exactly how to make this work for your plan, then the lifetime would be a best bet for you. So again, those are the three plans. Feel free to leave a comment down below this video or send me a DM or message, and definitely want to help you guys out with whatever plan fits for your budget and for your accounts. Have a good one.